Now logic is not sufficient. We have to raise, we have to cultivate the power of emotions. Attach it to the thought of aliveness. Make it more alive with the thought of this emotional aliveness. Aliveness and emotion of aliveness joining together, inhaling it, inculcating it, drinking it up to the navel center. Drink it up to the navel center. Feel it, feel it. Try to overflow the emotion of aliveness. Logic is not sufficient. Logic is not enough. We have to attach this feeling of aliveness. We have to make this thought of aliveness more alive. Feel the aliveness. See, we are alive and we are thankful because of aliveness, because of this realization of aliveness. I am thankful because I am alive. I am thankful because I am feeling this aliveness. Now I am attaching this thought of emotion. We might be entering into the grade 2, but logic is not enough. We have to attach the emotions, the feelings, joining it together to make it more alive. Make ourselves, feel ourselves more alive. Overflow with this very thought of aliveness with emotional aliveness. See, I am alive. You can feel me. See, you all are alive. I can feel you. See, you are alive. You can feel yourself. See, we all are alive. We all can feel ourselves. We are filled with gratitude. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I am feeling the thought of aliveness, not even the logic, not even this concept of aliveness, but the feeling of aliveness together, logic and emotions together to make it from plant to the tree. Yes, growing this thought of aliveness from plant to the tree. Fill yourself with the emotion of aliveness. We are alive. Feel the aliveness, feel the aliveness, feel the aliveness. See, we have body, we have healthy body. Someone might don't have that much of healthier body, but still we have to be thankful for this everything. We have to be grateful for this everything. It might be 10% which is good with us, but still we have to be grateful. For someone, it might be 90% grateful. It might be 90% healthier. Someone's mind is healthier up to 90%. Someone's breath is healthier up to 90%. Someone's body is healthier up to 90%. Or someone's body, breath and mind is healthier up to 10, 20, 30%. Whatever it is, we simply have to fill ourselves with gratitude, with the gratefulness, whatever we have as a gift. Thankful to the existence, thankful to the non-existence, thankful to this divine power of divine unknown. We don't know it yet. We have to realize it. We are on the path of it as a seeker. Someone might not be a seeker, but just a presenter, just presenting in this very moment. We don't have to label anything. We simply have to be a part of process. We simply have to take participation. And participation is the key. Else is just a process which happen with us. We simply have to present now and here in this very emotion of alignment, in this very thought of aliveness, in this very emotion of aliveness. Aliveness. Feel your body, feel your mind, feel your breath, feel your sense organs, feel everything. We have in this thought of aliveness with feeling of everything. Now we have filled with gratitude towards everything, and we observe our body, breath, mind, whatever positive with us. Now we have to observe our negative side as well. If someone has pain, someone has diseases, we simply have to focus over it and simply filled with gratitude towards them, that we don't know it is positive or negative, but I am feeling it painful. I think that I don't want this disease. I think that I don't want this pain. Please forgive me if something negative happened from me. I don't want these diseases. I don't want this pain. But I am grateful whatever I have positive. If these diseases, this negative with my mind, with my body is for my good, then again I am thankful to them, but I don't know it is for good or for not. But again I am thankful, and now I want that. I don't want this disease in my body, in my mind. I don't want this clutter. I don't want this disturbance. But still I am thankful whatever I have positive, and I'm just requesting to this negativity, please leave me. Please transform yourself into more positivity, because this pain is now very severe. I don't want this pain. I don't want these diseases. Please dissolve everything. What is negative for me, what is not good for me, please dissolve it and transform yourself into positive one, because I know this law of energy neither destroyed nor can be created, simply transforming. So I am urging you all, negative energy, please transform yourself into positivity if it is helpful, supportive and good for me. Yes, because it might be, I don't know my goodness, but in mutually, in togetherness, we will make it more harmonious. As I am feeling aliveness because of you too, because of this negativity too. Negativity might be the fertilizer for my seed of aliveness. So I am thankful to each and everything. But right now, I think that I realize that I don't want this pain. I don't want this suffering. I don't want these diseases. So please transform into the positivity, at least into the zero level, at least into the neutral level. Please, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Feel the aliveness now. Feel the aliveness. Filled with aliveness. Make yourself more alive, more conscious towards aliveness. Alive, alive. Inculcate this very thought of aliveness. I am feeling aliveness. I am feeling aliveness. Now we have given much energy to our subconscious mind through this thread of thought, through this thread of sentences, words, positivity. Now we simply have to feel it. Now we are moving towards lesser words and moving towards higher emotions, feeling the emotional part. Yes, simply remain silent. Make yourself comfortable. We have transformed this energy of positive thoughts, these positive affirmations, this positivity towards emotional aliveness, and now simply we are feeling it, inhaling it, inculcating it, realizing it, the emotional aliveness, the emotion of aliveness. Alive, alive. See, we are alive. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I am filled with aliveness. 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 Aliveness.